If you are ready for change, if you are ready, if you believe, then we can go ahead and tell the lobbyists their days of setting the agenda in Washington are over. They have not funded my campaign. They will not run my White House. They will not drown out the voices of the American people when I am President of the United States of America. If you're ready for change, we can stop talking about the outrage of 47 million people without health insurance. We can start finally doing something about it. And this is personal for me. My mother died of cancer when she was 53 years old. And that was hard enough, but I remember her reading insurance forms in the last months of her life because she had gotten a new job and the insurance company were saying, well, maybe this is a pre-existing condition and we don't have to pay your medical bills. So I know what it's like to see a loved one suffer, not just because they're sick, but because of a broken healthcare system. And it is wrong. And that is why I put forward a plan that says every American will get health care that is at least as good as the health care I have as a member of Congress. And they will not be excluded for pre-existing conditions, and we will negotiate with the drug companies for the cheapest available price on drugs. And if you already have health insurance, we are going to lower your premiums by $2,500 a year. And we are going to save money by emphasizing prevention so that children aren't going to the emergency room for treatable illnesses like asthma. And we're helping people with obesity so that we don't have high rates of diabetes. We're going to have a health care system, not a disease care system. And we are going to make sure and we are going to look after our providers. We are going to make sure that our nurses aren't overworked and have too many patients. We're going to make sure that they're properly paid. And we're recruiting more nurses. And we are not going to wait 20 years from now or 10 years from now to do this. We will do this by the end of my first term as president